Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're unboxing the brand new Insta360 X5. But more importantly, we're going to address a super common issue that a lot of people run into when setting up their SD card for the very first time. As you can see right here, we're unboxing the camera, and we have a 128GB Kingston Canvas Select Plus MicroSD card ready to test out. Alright, so let's pop open the side compartment where the battery and microSD slot are located. We'll slide the Kingston card in, put the battery back, and carefully close the door. Now, let's power on the camera and see if it recognizes the card right out of the box. And here's where the problem starts. The camera initially shows no SD card. Even after going into the settings and formatting the card directly inside the camera, as soon as we try to hit record in high resolution, like 8K, this yellow warning pops up on the screen. It says the card speed is too slow and recording might be interrupted. That's because this Kingston card just doesn't have the right speed needed for high bitrate video.
Start recording.
To fix this once and for all, let's turn off the camera and take out this slow card. Instead, we're switching to a card built specifically for action cameras and high-res video, the SanDisk Extreme Pro 128GB. You want to make sure your card has the V30, U3, and A2 ratings stamped on the front. Now let's insert the new SanDisk card, put the battery back, and turn the camera on. We'll do a quick format in the settings menu. And now let's test recording. And look at that. The camera is recording smoothly in full resolution with zero warnings or lag. Problem solved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.